Hey guys, so today again we are going to solve a new question. Let's go to the question. So the question is a deployment web app is taking traffic before pods are fully stable and ensure new pods are considered available only after 30 seconds of readiness. After ensuring that rollout fails if it takes, sorry, we have to ensure that rollout is failed if it takes more than 10 minutes and update rollout strategy to 25% surge and 25% of unavailability of the pods. So basically what they are asking in the question. Um, so we have some keywords, right? Like surge, unavailable, readiness, rollout is failing. So what is all these things? Let me explain. So let me come from the back side of the question. Okay. So what is this unavailability? So just it's easy to remember this because unavailable and max unavailable. This attribute we can remember, right? Okay. So what does this attribute mean? For example, in deployment, we have mentioned that number of replicas is, let's say, 3 or 4. Okay. So if I set max unavailable to 25%, that means one only one out of four um, pods are allowed to be unavailable, and remaining all three should be available. Otherwise, deployment fails. Now, what is search? This also represented using an attribute called maxSurge. Why am I telling you to remember this? Because using this keywords, you can just directly go to the documents and search it, and it will give the relevant example where they use max search or max unavailability. So what is this max search? If I set to 25%, what happens? Search means what? Like how much percentage we accept more than the decided one. Let's say replicas are 4 and max search is 25%. That means we allow 5 pods to be up and available. Okay. So that is max search. And what does this mean? Rollout fails if it takes more than 10 minutes and 30 seconds. So here, let's say even me, I don't know what is the attribute that is used to set the seconds. So what I will do, I'll just go here and I'll just try to create a deployment. Um, create deployment or okay. Mm, I'll use explain deployment. Let's say I don't have any deployment, but I want to explain it. Um, then use the spec, and I just want to use grep hyphen I seconds. Okay, what did I get just now is minimum ready seconds and progress deadline seconds, right? Why did I use this command? Because I don't know what is related to the seconds, which attribute is related to the seconds. So I just did explain deployment dot spec. So inside deployment, I want this particular thing which I need to explore, and inside that I want to grab the seconds. So minimum number of seconds of which a newly created pod should be ready. What does it mean? Let's say after 30 seconds of readiness, right? Readiness. So basically, if any pod is created, it will set a readiness prop. What is this readiness prop? Uh, this denotes that I am ready, right? Like I have been created, just you can use me. So then what is this 30 seconds mean? Let's say second pod, that is a new pod, which is created and there is an old pod. If we don't set the minimum readiness seconds, what is minimum ready seconds? What happens is that uh, the old pod will be directly uh, removed or deleted as soon as the new one is created. And let's say the new one has some issues, then we see that this also gets cancelled or deleted. Now we don't have both the pods available. So this to reduce, like to remove such kind of issues, we are setting a 30 seconds of minimum ready seconds so that even after 30 seconds, even after a new pod is created, uh, just after the 30 seconds are passed only, the traffic will be sent to this pod. And then eventually this pod will be removed. So this will not be deleted until 30 seconds, and this will not be this will not be used as moving traffic to this pod until 30 seconds of the newly created pod is passed. I hope you understand. So for that we use minimum ready seconds. And what is this progress deadline seconds mean? That means okay, so if you see that is progress deadline seconds as well. Let's read this. Maximum time and seconds for a deployment to make progress before it is. So that means what does it mean? Like let's say we want a new image to be set, and we use like Kubernetes, kubectl set image to the particular deployment, changing from 1.21 to 1.22. Let's say we removed one image, I mean, we want to replace one image. So now a new pods will be replaced with that new image. And but unfortunately, that image tag is wrong. Now the pods are getting back ordered or image pulling off some kind of error we get, right? If we do kubectl describe deployment command. So basically, image pull off some error has occurred for me because the image tag is wrong. And still the deployment is trying to create. If I actually do Kubernetes get so kubectl get deployment um, and my dep, let's say I used watch, and it's continuously trying to create the pods, and the pods are failing. So this is happening for me, and I've been waiting for so much time. Okay, but I don't know, I don't know what to do. Like, for let's say some issues are not clear, so I feel that maybe it is trying. Let it try. So in such cases, if we don't want to wait, and if we want to stop the deployment before, we can set a deadline. Like, okay, I am giving you 10 minutes of time. Just try to create the pods as needed. And if there is any issue, try to solve it within 10 minutes. But after the 10 minutes, I'm going to get the error, a proper error from you, that you are going to stop doing the things anymore after the 10 minutes. Okay, so that is what the progress deadline seconds is doing. So I hope you understand like why we are using all these attributes. Now let me create a new deployment. Let's say there is a deployment. Actually, there is no deployment. So let me create deployment, and again I use the tab as the name. Hyphen image equals to nginx 1.21 replicas. This is an imperative command. Is equals to 3 try run equals to client hyphen web. YAML is stored in my deployment dot YAML, and I want to edit this file by checking the readiness raw. So ready minimum ready seconds is what I'm going to search now. I want to see in the deployments. So if I see here in Ping as an example, that's inside a spec. So let me go to another suggestion. Okay, so it's under the spec. Um, I will try to edit this. Maybe in this we have, no, we don't. Okay, let me do one thing. I will search for progress deadlines. Okay, spec progress deadlines. I think so. We can add in this under the spec. Progress deadline seconds as how much seconds they asked. Deadline for 10 minutes, that means 600 seconds. Right? And the next thing which I need to do is minimum ready seconds. It's correct. It's under the spec only. Right. Now we are going to add as 30 seconds. And another thing which I add is maxSurge. So maxSurge is here. What is happening? Okay, it's under the strategy. Do I have any strategy? Yes, I have. I don't do it. I just create this and I just apply this and to edit deployment. My deployment. Like that. So it already shows that my max search is 25% and max unavailability is also 25%. So I did not edit it. Okay. Now let's just do the deployments. Wow. Gives me unavailable. Okay, availability is 2. Uh, okay. Now everything is right. This will be helpful for us in the environment they have given, and they are asking you to basically uh, use these attributes. So you need to understand what these attributes are up to. So in this question, we have explored what is max surge, max unavailable, minimum ready seconds, progress deadline seconds. We understood how to implement this using a small question. Yeah, that's all from my end. Thank you.